Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Turn around and tell me what I'm missing now. 아주 멋쟁이 넌 하루 종일 세상 혼자 사는 듯이 그래. 도도한테 또가 날 더 미치게 만들어. Meet me up near the ring.
Hey beauties, it's your girl Claire, and I am here with another DIY boho style tutorial. Of course I did this by myself because I am a firm believer that I can do anything you could do, and I believe that you can too. You just need time, practice, and patience. So if you're interested to see how I achieve this look by myself, then make sure you stay tuned. All the information for this hair will be in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And as always, baby, keep watching. Boho braids will never go out of style, and if it does, it won't for me. I'm always gonna rock them because they're beautiful. Now, this hair is from a company called Ywigs, and I am wearing their body wave BOHO hair. I got 4 bundles, 2 in 20 inches and 2 in 22 inches. And I washed it because you see how the beginning of it is so sharp. When you wash it, it becomes nice and fluffy, which makes it much easier to braid. And I'm using beeswax because I ran out of braiding jam. So I'm just using some beeswax that I have. And I'm also adding that beeswax to the tip of that braiding hair, just the tip, not the bottom. However, I probably use a little bit too much product, so I do have to wash the hair when I'm finished again, just so that way all of that beeswax comes out of it and the hair goes back to its natural wavy state. So as you can see, when you add the beeswax to it, I'm not even going to say beeswax because I recommend using braiding jam, not beeswax. I just used that because that's all I had. But it allows you to have much more control over the hair because this hair is 100% human hair. And that makes it extremely soft, y'all. And it doesn't have a weft. It's not attached to a weft. So you need something to kind of keep it all together while you're braiding it. And it also prevents you from having too many flyaways. I did not do invisible knots. I just braided my hair old school, okay? I did invisible knots. For my type of hair, it just doesn't last long enough. And then I just didn't want to do crochet. So I am going in and feeding in the hair, and then I'm pulling it out. And I used about 3 to 4 pieces to feed in. Doing your own hair, when you finally learn how to do it, it is extremely rewarding and satisfying, right? Because you ain't got to book no appointment. You ain't got to wait on nobody, nothing. And this is really good time to spend some quality time with yourself. I love doing my own hair because I get to just put on a movie because I can't sit still. I always feel like I need to be doing something. But when I'm doing my hair, I actually get to sit still and I could just watch seasons of different shows that I haven't been able to just sit down and watch. So I really enjoy doing my hair. So this also reminds me of the old school micros from back in the day, except our micros, the braids were really small, like actual micros, which is probably why a lot of us lost our edges, but we're not going to talk about that because that's not what this video is about. But I feel like just braiding your hair how we used to do back in the day, not knotless, will also make this style so much more worth it because it lasts longer. I find that knotless braids don't last that long. And once I'm finished braiding the hair to where I want it to stop, I'm going to go ahead and take a few strands of hair, literally just a few strands of hair. And then I'm going to wrap it around the hair, add some super glue. The super glue that I'm using is Kiss. And I'm going to, after I apply the super glue, I'm going to wrap it a couple of more times. Don't skip this part. If you skip this part, the hair will loosen and your braids will be falling out. So do this. And yes, it is time consuming to do your own hair, but this hairstyle will run you over $1,000 if you get it done at a hair salon. So if that's your thing, you know, you want to go get it done real fast at the hair salon, cool. But if you also want to save some coins and do it yourself, then I believe this video will be for you. And then I'm going to go in and cut away all of those flyaway pieces. And this part is so satisfying to me. I don't even know why. So you see how the hair looks kind of sticky? Because that's the beeswax. I use entirely too much beeswax. But like I said, I am going to wash it. And when I start the hair, like the first plait, the anchor braid, I'm going to use 2 pieces and kind of connect them together. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my feed-in braids and pull them out. I prefer it this way. It really didn't take me that long. And yeah, it was pretty cool.
I tried to be your everything, gave my everything. I sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out. What got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. Someday I will make you answer for all of your mistakes. But I'm way too weak now, crawling on all fours, searching for something to keep me from going crazy. But I'm way too deep now, I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go.
When the hair was wet, the hair was already dry hair, but I went in with some Cantu coconut curling cream, and then I did this motion with the hair to really allow the body wave to like come through. And then I took a blow dryer with this little curly nozzle thing on it, and I used that to dry the hair in place. That nozzle thing really helps with curly hair. Also, this blow dryer was not on at the moment because the hair is already dry. And then I took the Myel hair oil and I put that and moisturized my scalp. And you got to keep your scalp moisturized. Well, at least I do, because my scalp, I think I kind of have dry scalp actually. So I have to keep my hair moisturized. And then I went in with this anti-itch hairspray that I got from the beauty supply store. It was only $6, y'all. This helped me tremendously with any itching. Like, it really, really worked. And this is the hair, y'all. Like, look how full it is. It looks like I have like a sewing in the back. No, baby. This is just the hair. Look how beautiful it is. Stop playing with me. Now, you do have to take care of this hair. So every night you're going to braid it and you're going to sleep with a silk scarf. You're not just going to let this hair get all crazy because it can get tangled. So make sure that you just really wet this hair when you braid it up. Not soaking wet, but just damp. Just take care of the hair. Don't just think you're just going to have it and not have to maintain it. You're going to have to maintain it. Now, anyways, all the information for this hair will be in the description box. Big shout out to Ywigs for hooking your girl up. I'm so appreciative, y'all. Like, sometimes I'm just like, wow, this is awesome. And with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please give your girl a big fat thumbs up, comment and subscribe. And I will see you all next time because I have some updates about school and everything. So see you all next time.
I tried to be your everything, gave my everything, I sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left.